Hello everyone, I'm Pavni and welcome back to my channel Gen Z Kidsology. During the time of lockdown earlier this year, I picked up one new habit, which was journaling. There were so many emotions, so many thoughts in my mind, and I really wanted to clear them out. I saw few of my friends on Instagram who would be sharing their daily journals, snippets of their daily journals, and I thought that why shouldn't I give it a try? So I started it one day and I could really feel the difference. It really helped me in clearing my mind. Also, after a few days, I introduced journaling to my son. I wanted him to work on his reading and writing skills. And I thought that journaling would be a fun way to practice on his reading and writing skills. And that's why I introduced journaling to him as well. And honestly, we both are enjoying it. And I plan to continue it in the coming days as well. Do you also journal? How do you journal? I would like to know about it in the comment section below. When it comes to children, I feel that journaling would really help them. A, it would help them with their reading and writing skills. B, it would help them to think and introspect, So I feel that it would also help with their creativity, depending upon what you are writing into the journal. And 3, it would help them to put out their emotions. Teenagers, they have got so many emotions going on. And at times they don't feel comfortable sharing it with their parents or even their friends. So might as well they write it down in their journal. It is good that they put out their emotions so that later it doesn't grow up into something really big. So yeah, I thought that journaling would be really helpful for children. And I have got few journaling prompts today which I would like to share with you all, and that is why this video, my dear friends. So it has been a long intro, so let's get started. So first I would like to tell you a few things about journaling. A, let us keep it very simple. More simpler, the more better, especially when it comes to children. B, allocate some time for journaling. Maybe after dinner, during bedtime, you can just sit for some 10 to 15 minutes and then just fill in your journal. It can be a part of your daily routine. And then 3 is that make journaling time to be fun, or make journaling time to be peaceful, wherein they can think and then write down whatever they want to write down in their journals. So now I'm going to share few journaling prompts with you, and I hope that it would help you all. Alright, so here what I have done is I took a normal book, a normal plain book of 200 pages, and I have filled few of the pages. Now these will be the journaling prompts for my son. And just to make it little colorful, I have colored the borders, and also in few pages I have used washi tapes. I feel that this would make it a little attractive, and he would also enjoy filling in these sheets. So the first page here is for introduction. We will be pasting my son's photo here, and then he can write down his name. In the second page, he will be writing about his likes. For example, he likes cooking, he likes playing badminton, he likes building with his Legos, and so on. So he can fill in this sheet accordingly. This page is all about his favorites. He will be writing down his favorite food, favorite subject, sport, holidays, movies, color, memories, and so on. Now please remember that I have filled in the sheets with the prompts which I feel my son would be enjoying. I have kept it according to his age. So when you are making the journaling book for your child, please consider his age and also what he or she will enjoy. I'm just giving you few ideas here which you can incorporate. Moving ahead, the next 2 sheets I have kept it blank. As you can see in the title, in this sheet we will be making a family tree. I think that it's going to be really fun. And in this page we can paste tiny photographs of our holidays, of our family members, or else, as the page says, few sweet memories. In this page, I have written few positive affirmations like I am smart, I can try new things without fear, I like my body, I am happy, I am strong. I feel that these positive affirmations are really necessary, not just for my child but even for me. When we start our day reading this together, it would give me also the much needed positive start to my day. I'm looking forward to this. From this page onwards is the monthly section. The coming month is December, so I have kept this page blank so that we can list 10 words which makes us think of December. It can be cakes, cookies, Christmas, celebrations, and so on. Winters, carrot halwa. It can be anything random. If it is January, then we can write down Sankranti, kites, and so on. I think that this would really help children to think and also enhance their creativity. In the next page, I have kept this for important dates and events. Now these dates and events can be birthdays, any celebrations in their school, or else any national or international events also. This would help them to remember few important dates in the coming month. In this page, I have kept it for story time. So every day during bedtime, me and my son, we together read a story. So maybe the next day morning, he can get up and write down the story which we have read and also give a little rating to it with smileys. Did he like it? Was it alright? Or did he not like it? I will add few more lines as and when we go ahead. Now these would be the daily journaling sheets. So as you can see here, in these two sheets, I have kept blank space at the top. So what he can do is he can just write down the date, make a little drawing here or else do some doodling here and then fill in these questions. Over here, I did not give any blank space because they can explore. They can make a little doodle here or else they can place few stickers here. They can basically have fun. And for each day, I have kept different questions so that it does not become repetitive and boring. For example, here the question is, what did you do today? What surprised you today? One mistake that you did and what did you learn from it? What makes you happy? And so on. So in this way, every day I'll be giving him a new question so that he can fill it up. The monthly sections also I can change. Like for December, this month section is this page wherein we will be writing down 10 words and also important days and story time. I plan to keep important dates for all the months, but probably I will change the page of story time and also this page after few months so that I can include other prompts as well. If you like these prompts and if you want more of this, then do let me know in the comment section below. I would be really happy to make a PDF and share it with you all. Also, if you like the content of this video, then do like, comment and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So that's it for today, my dear friends. See you very soon with another exciting video. Take very good care, all of you. Bye.